Hello and once again welcome to Mommy and Kids. So we are back with another very simple and easy activity. This activity is related to the letters and their sounds. The name of the activity is Muddy Letters and Sounds. So it is another preschool activity and it is very easy to create. All we need is one black marker, one moist sponge that we use in the kitchen, one plastic file, and what I take is white sheet, and on this white sheet I just write letters and their sounds. As you can see, they are not in the order to make it more fun. So I write the letters and their sounds, and on the file, on the plastic, I just made some of the muddy texture. And what your child do is just take a sponge and rub one of the muddy texture and read aloud the letter and the sound. So let's go and play it. Okay, Rohan, now rub it with the sponge.
Look, Ilya.
Wow. Rohan, what is this letter?
A.
What is this letter?
E or A.
A and
A.
A. Now rub this. See, what is this letter and sound?
It's just now going.
Yes, now rub this. Rohan, you have to rub this. Wow. Now, what is this? Say loud.
H. H.
H. H. Now rub this. Yes. Now, which is this letter and sound?
G or G.
G and G. Very nice. Now rub this mud. Okay. You can see the sound and letter now.
K.
Okay. Now what is this?
C.
And what is this?
K.
K.
Surprise.
C. K. Now rub this. It is a very easy exercise and activity to create. All homemade things. And is a fun learning. What is this?
F.
Yes, F and F. F. Very nice. Okay. Now what is this? What?
V or F.
V. V. Good. Now rub this and see what's the letter inside.
B or B.
Yes, you can see the B. B. What is this letter and what is this sound?
B. B.
B. B. B. Okay, now rub this.
Mama, surprise.
Yes, surprise. Surprise letter and sound.
E or A.
Oh, what is this letter?
E. A.
E. 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 Good. Now rub this. Good job. Now, what is this?
D or D.
D. D. D. D. Good job. Okay, now which letter and sound is this?
J or J.
Speak it loud.
J. J.
J. J.
J.
J. J.
J for J.
J for jug, yes. Rub it. Good job. Now, what is this letter?
K or K.
K. K. K. K. K for?
Kite.
Kite. Drop this. Now, you can see which letter and sound is inside. Clean it. Clean the letter and sound. Yay! Now, what is this?
U up.
U and
Up.
A. U, A. U, A. A for?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Rub it. Yes. Now which sound is this and which letter is this?
Y.
What is this?
Y.
And what is this?
Y.
Y. Y. Y. Y. Good. Now rub this.
M.
Rub this completely. Very nice job. Now which letter is this? Which letter is this?
M.
Letter is this?
M. M.
M. M. M. M. M. Shabash. Wow. Now, which letter is this?
E.
Which letter is this?
I or E.
I. E.
Mama.
I. E.
Spell
E
up.
for?
Igloo.
Igloo.
Mama.
I. E. Yes.
Mama, rub.
Rub it. Rub it.
This.
This one. And see what is the surprise letter and sound inside. This is the best activity for the kindergarten students. It helps them to recognize and learn the letters and sounds. It is the hands-on activity which is very easy to create. Now, which letter is this? What?
Z.
What? Which letter is this?
Z.
Z. And this? Wow. Now, which is the surprise letter and sound?
L.
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 L. L.
Mama, rub करें.
L for?
Lap.
Lap. Lamp. Lion. Now, rub this.
Mama, rub this.
Rub this, okay, as you wish.
Oh, surprise.
Surprise letter and sound.
मम्मा हमने मट पे हटा दिया.
Yes. Now, which letter is this?
R.
R. R. R. R. R for?
Rat.
Rat. Very nice.
Now for nose.
Which letter is this?
N.
N. And what is the sound?
Hmm.
N. N. चलो rub it.
रब it. हमें ये किस वाला पे तक रब करना है.
Okay, rub it.
ये वाला.
Wow. The surprise letter and sound.
X.
X and X. X. X for?
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Good. Now rub another one. Now tell me the surprise letter and sound.
S.
S. S for?
Sun.
Sun. S for snake. Now clean
मम्मा
it.
डिप करके भी ऐसे भी करें.
Now you have to clean it. Okay, now clean the another one. Okay, now which letter is this?
O.
O. Up. O. Up. O for
Octopus.
octopus.
Q and Qua.
Q and
Qua.
qua. Qua.
Mama,
Qua.
what's apitik na bisa?
Okay. Q. Qua.
Q and Qua.
Wow. And now which letter and sound is this?
T or T.
T. T. T. T. T for
Tiger.
tiger. Yes. Now rub it. Now which letter and sound is this?
P.
Which letter?
P and P.
P. P. P. P. P for parrot. Okay, now the last letter and sound. Which is this?
W.
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 W. W. W. W for
Watch.
watch.
Jab watches.
Yes, now it is a very easy exercise and kids will definitely enjoy it, and it will help them to learn and recognize the letters in their sound. Hope you enjoy today's easiest activity. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello, and once